Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. As you can tell by the title, we are doing an unboxing video of my new Vincero Chrono S. I haven't seen the watch in person before, so this will be a brand new, we'll be seeing it for the first time together, let's put it that way. And the pictures online and all the reviews seem really good, and I had an issue and the customer service was very helpful. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alrighty, now let's get right into the package here. And let's see, actually, is there a, yes, there is. Alright, very cool. And I've got a sore throat, so I do apologize for that, ladies and gentlemen. Some allergies or stuff like that. So we got the shipping number here, everything there. So make sure you guys can see it all nice there. Gift for me, okay. Very cool. Okay, so that's a excuse me, $40 off my next purchase. So that's pretty cool. And then $25 off a pair of sunglasses. So pretty neat there. So let's figure out how we open this. All right. Boom, bada boom, bada bing. Okay, make sure you guys can see that all pretty well right there. And yeah, so this is gonna be pretty cool. Oh wow, that does look really nice. So boom, there you go guys, full watch. Let's pull it out, and this is a 40 millimeter. I do have a little bit smaller wrist, so I didn't want a huge 43 as they have it. And man, look at that. That is an absolutely gorgeous watch. The details, we've got the marble inlay on the back right here. Absolutely beautiful face. We've got some nice pieces on the side. Leather strap, brown leather strap. I really like the blue and the leather combination. And yeah, I mean, this is an absolutely, for the price, which was $165, and then I opted for the protection package. This is a really beautiful watch. I mean, wow. I mean, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's put it on here. Almost dropped it. That would be bad. Take that bit off, and we will address that later. The strap is going to be stiff because it's the first time putting it on. That is a-okay, but get a good idea of what it looks like right there. And man, does this thing look nice all the way around. It feels really nice, and obviously once you break the leather in, it's going to look nice. But see how the 40 millimeter, it takes up a good chunk of my wrist, and that's why I did not want to opt for the 43, because that would have been slightly larger. And since I do not have a huge hand or wrist, I don't want something overpoweringly large on my wrist. But yeah, really nice leather, kind of alligator style almost. And man, this is it's a really nice watch. I was pleasantly surprised, to say that. Let's see if we can get it back off here. Yeah, and it has some nice weight to it. So we've got premium materials, real leather, real metals here with the dials and stuff. So no plastic, no cheap materials. And a main reason, if I'm correct, why their prices are competitive is because they do not have stores. They don't have to ship and distribute and stuff like that. It's directly from the warehouse. But yeah, I mean, this is an absolutely beautiful watch. I love the blue with the leather strap, and it has nice weight to it. But for the money, I mean, this is a very nice watch. And yeah, first impressions, it looks exactly like it does on the website, which is a positive. Sometimes you don't get what you buy, so I'm pleased by that. And yeah, let me know down in the comments how you like this style. If you would rock a different one, maybe with a metal, a steel bracelet, different face, stuff like that, or if you already have a Vincero watch, let me know how you like it. But yeah, this is a different style, unboxing videos. I do like watches, so hopefully in the future we'll have a collection start building up. I'd like to add some Tag Heuers along with some other kind of luxury but entry-level market watches, because not everyone can afford, you know, an Audemars Piguet or a Patek Philippe or watches like that, Rolex. So there's a huge market for these lower in price range luxury entry model watches, and that was a mouthful right there. But yeah, I mean, just can't help but just look at how beautiful it is. And yeah, that is the Vincero Chrono S 40 millimeter with the brown leather and the blue face. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Obviously this isn't automotive related, but cars, watches, they kind of all go in the same thing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Take care.